What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask a favor of you guys. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you slap that subscribe button. That way you're up to date with all the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and reviews. Now on to the news. SEC will soon rule out XRP as a security, according to Ripple's chief marketing strategist. So what this means is, let's say that the SEC comes out and says XRP is not a security. That means it creates a realm of clarity around it, because that means that people and exchanges can list XRP safely, knowing it's not a security. So we could actually see a huge bump in price if XRP is deemed not a security. The SEC saying XRP is not a security could really amplify some price action on the current price of XRP. We could possibly see a Coinbase listing, but I'm not holding my breath because Coinbase is very finicky. In the past, the reason they have stated for not listing XRP is the whole security issue. But according to Ripple's chief marketing strategist, it is likely the SEC will say XRP is not a security. Now, I have been saying the whole time this debate has been going on that XRP is not a security, and the reason has just been factual. A security means that you own a piece of a company. That is what a security is. XRP does not give you a piece of the Ripple company. So therefore, XRP is not a security. It really isn't that big of a debate. So I don't know why the SEC has held off on this, but I'm hoping a decision comes before 2019. So let's get into the article. For a long time, there has been a debate regarding the status of XRP token. After the SEC established that Ethereum and Bitcoin are not securities, many in the industry assumed that XRP was not mentioned because it shares some features with security assets, even though it really doesn't. In fact, the regulatory uncertainty surrounding XRP is part of the reason why Coinbase, one of the leading crypto exchanges around the world, has decided to hold off on listing the third largest cryptocurrency per market capitalization. And again, this third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, XRP has been bouncing between third and second, so even more so. Recently, the chief marketing strategist at Ripple, Corey Johnson, said that the XRP token isn't a security, and the SEC will verify this soon. While his words were meant to be reassuring to investors, a confirmation by the SEC is the only thing that could put investors at peace. This is because when a cryptocurrency is classified as a security, it will fall under the jurisdiction of regulators, making it a closed asset. The concept of decentralization will be useless in this case, and investors will prefer not to put their money into such a cryptocurrency. Also, being declared a security might hinder Ripple from carrying out its plans of launching the XRP protocol. It will also lead to a decline in adoption because exchanges that do not fall under the SEC's authority will not want any trouble with regulators by listing it. This is why Ripple is trying hard to reassure the public of the status of XRP token. During the interview, Johnson said, quote, "We know for a certainty that XRP is not a security. The kind of relationship Ripple has with XRP is full proof that it is independent. Most importantly, you've also got XRP. No matter how many XRP tokens you buy, you don't have any right to share in the company's earnings per dividend or share. Buying XRP gives you, quote, no stake in the company." He also said that Ripple as a company doesn't have any impact on the existence of the XRP token. This is also true. So even if the company was to close up, the token will still be in existence. This is because the XRP ledger exists as an entirely different entity from Ripple. In his words, again, quote, "For this reason, I believe the SEC will consider this. We know they will recognize this fact and declare XRP is not a security." Regarding providing protection for investors, he said, quote, "There will always be crooks who try to steal money, especially when a new technology emerges. We see this in everything. It's atomic energy. Same thing we saw in oil and gas sector. It also happened during the emergence of the dot-com bubble. So it isn't surprising to see it in cryptocurrency. This is why the SEC has to step up protection for investors worldwide." So again, guys, this isn't a debate. XRP is not a security. There should be no reason for Coinbase not to list XRP. And even more so, Coinbase actually has regulatory approval to list securities, if I'm not mistaken. So even if XRP was a security, which it isn't, which it isn't, but even if it was, it just makes me wonder why Coinbase has not listed it. It's almost like they have a bias against XRP, but I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be looking more into this. But anyways, comment your thoughts down below on whether you think XRP is a security or not, and if you think that Coinbase is biased against XRP, or if you think Coinbase is just being a little bit too safe. I want to hear your thoughts. Please do comment them down below. Now moving on to the next piece of news today. CNBC's Brian Kelly says cryptocurrency market to see, quote, institutional herd arrive by Q1 of 2019. Now, I know what you're thinking, that these dates just keep getting pushed back. People saying, oh, it's going to happen end of 2018. It doesn't happen. Oh, it's going to happen at beginning of 2019. It doesn't happen. And they just keep pushing it back. I know your thoughts, but I think this has some particular validity to it, because I always thought that 2018 was the year of the correction. I've always thought in the back of my mind, I could be wrong, that 2018 was just a full-on correction year, and that 2019 will begin the actual bull run. But I could be wrong. We could get one in 2018. We could get it by the middle of 2019. I don't know. I don't want to make that prediction because of how volatile things have been as of late. But I definitely know this for sure, that cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Even during bear markets, I still believe in the long-term vision of cryptocurrency. But now onto this article. Fidelity's foray into the cryptocurrency world is, quote, fantastic news. Since 2017 breathed its last breaths, Brian Kelly, the CEO of BKCM and an active CNBC commentator, analyst, and contributor, has been arguably overly bullish on the crypto industry, blockchain space, and digital asset market. While the current bear market conditions have slightly deterred his outspoken advocacy for crypto assets, he recently took to CNBC's Power Lunch segment to talk about the nascent industry for the unpeached time. He said, quote, I can tell you from conversations that we've had for our crypto hedge fund that the institutional herd is starting to enter this market. So what does this mean? Well, as put by BK, well, the sell-off has seemingly started to taper off. The arrival of institutional capital is a near must, as there currently aren't any factors pushing up the value of crypto assets. So he's basically saying that he has, because he's in this industry and he's talking to hedge funds and he's communicating with these people, that a lot of hedge funds are looking to enter the market by 2019 after they think that the bottom has been hit and things have stabilized. That's when they want to get in, and that's just smart on their part, because you don't want to end up buying too high. So they're just waiting for things to stabilize, maybe go down a little bit lower, and then they're going to get into this market and prices will be pushed up. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in to your daily dose of cryptocurrency news. Again, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day.